Colossians 4:5-6. So be gracious in your speech, children of God. The goal is to bring out the best in others in a conversation. Not put them down, not cut them out. Hindi po natin makokontrol yung magagawa ng mga tao pag-o-offend sa atin in our lifetime. But you can be intentional. Pwede tayong maging intentional with our part in our conversations and our interactions po with other people. Na wag na tayong sasabay sa hate train. Wag na tayong sasabay, anak tayo ni Lord, wag tayong sasabay sa cancel culture or the wave of public dislike. Amen? Make a decision today that the goal of your future conversations and interactions will to bring out the best in other people. Ang sarap yata nun, yung masabi ng mga tao, grabe, lumakas ako, brother, sister. Pagkatapos kang kausapin, na-refresh ako, parang nangusap si Lord sa akin. No? The ABCD of prophecy, no? Yung ABCD po ng prophecy is to always build up, cheer up, and draw near. Sana po, no, kapag nakakausap tayo, palagi silang na-cheer up, nabibuild up, cheer up, lumalakas, nare-refresh, and napapalapit sa Panginoon. Amen? If it does not build up, I don't say it. Because if it does not build up, He did not say it. Do you agree with me, church? Amen? Kung hindi yan nakakalakas, hindi ko yan sasabihin kasi kung hindi yan nakakalakas, hindi yan galing sa Panginoon. Jesus will not tear down. Amen? Si Jesus po, hindi yan mananakit. Hindi yan magsasabi ng mga salita na magsusugat ang puso. Di po ba? So, practical lang po yun, no? Practical tips, ways on how to bring out the best in other people. You point out the greatness in a friend. No? Instead of, trash talkan kayo, ganyan, kasi close na kami. Or, hindi naman ganun yung pagiging, it takes relationship kasi talaga. No, let's bring out, the greatness in a friend. Let's point out the greatness in a friend. Let's appreciate your spouse. Ayan, baka naman po, alam niya na yun, pastor, hindi ko na kailangan sabihin, hindi niya alam. Hindi niya alam, kaya appreciate your spouse. Amen? Encourage your children. Baka naman po napakatipid natin sa pag-i-encourage, 'di ba, sa ating mga anak, no? Lavish them with appreciation, affirmation, amen? Tell someone that what they are good at, no? Kasi po baka they may have forgotten it or not realize it yet, no? Kung okay pala sila dito, magaling pala sila dito. Alam niyo po ang tao, pag sinabihan mo siya ng isang bagay na maganda tungkol sa kanya or maayos sa kanya, magaling tungkol sa kanya, uulitin niya. Di ba? Uulit-ulitin niya kasi sinabihan mo siya ng something na good sa kanya eh. Amen? Kaso po, kadalasan na nakikita